Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to hide your number and name for outgoing Google Voice phone call. So get started with a quick guide on how to do that. Open the Google Voice app or go to googlevoice.com from your mobile device. So when you are ready to make a call, dial *67 before the number you want to call, which is the 67. Then in front, after that, you have to input your phone number, then press the call. So that's it. Your name and number will be reading for that specific call. So the person received the call will see a private number or unknown callers. Then here's a quick important note: Google Voice doesn't have a inbuilt-in settings to permanently block your caller ID, so you will need to dial *67 each time you want a full privacy setup, or I can also walk through your Google Voice settings too, and that's it.